Yeah, all right. So the first thing I'm going to show you is how to switch your reaction roles to be an embed. So click the Carlbot, go to the website, or you can just type it in Google, Carlbot dashboard. That works too. Click manage. It'll bring up all your servers. Obviously, I'm going to click yours. Then you want to click the top left corner to show you all the setting options. Scroll down to reaction roles. Click that. That shows you all the reaction roles that you have. So I'm just going to click this one to see which one this is. And it's not working for some reason. So interesting. Well, it's this basically editing it will be the same thing. So what you have right now is you have post embed, and what you did was you selected the channel, self roles, I don't know where it is, why it's not popping up. But you selected the channel there, and then you enter the content. I think you entered like ping roll 1 or whatever. And then you did that with all your roles. That's what you did. Click this next thing. It shows embed builder. Delete the content that you put in there already. And you want to put the title. You can ignore the vast majority of these sections here. But you can put a title. So I think you wanted like notify roles or something like that. And then the description, you can just have roles. And it should just like make it easy. You can restrict who can set up a role. So like for me, I have on my channel, for the people that want to apply for the pro team, you have to have the GC role to do it. Otherwise, it won't work for them. You can pick the color of the role. I like doing cyan, but you can make whatever color you want. If you know the hex code, it's also easier to do that. So like for me, I always type 00FFFF, which is cyan. And I like that color. So I'll just do it for this one just to show you. So then you want to add the emojis. This is how I'm just showing you how to create one at this point. I think you just use like 1, 2, and 3. Like 1. Young event notify. So you would just do that for all of them. I won't show you every little thing there because it's weird. What is weird is that you have 2 self roles, but only one of them is showing up here, and then it doesn't work on the dashboard. So that's interesting. But that's how you would embed a message. So let's see, what's the next thing you want to do? You want to add a role to it. So I'm thinking, because it's all kind of fucked up right now, it might be easier just to kind of restart. So I'm just going to do that for you, since, you have less than 10 on each one. So you have SS YouTube notifications, Young YouTube notifications, Twitch notifications. Then you wanted to add another one. And you wanted to add all the game roles as well. So let me check what the roles are, and then I can show you how to make one, like how to make one of these things. Okay, we have had gamers, next mods, event planners, Twitch mods. Okay, moving on. These are level roles. Sorry, I'm still getting used to your server. So you have a bunch of these notify roles. I'm guessing these are the ones you want me to add. So I'll do that. Then you have Apex, Call of Duty, 6 Siege, Fall Guys, Rocket League, Minecraft, and Days. Is Days a game? I don't know. But okay, sounds good. So I'm not going to do this in the self roles. I'm going to do this in like the bots updates and stuff like that. Or yeah, logs. So what you do is you type reaction role. You type the command reaction role. And you type make. This is how you make one. And what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to make one, and I'm not going to make it properly so that I can go back and show you how to add and or remove them, and also how to edit it to update it. So I'll just show you everything all in one here. So reaction role make. Hello, what channel would you like it to be in? So just type the channel you want it in. We want it in roles. Am I an idiot? Why is this not showing up? Hang on. What is it called? You have it called self roles. But for some reason, that's not showing up. Let's see if that works. Self roles. Oh, you took too long. Okay, shoot. Reaction role make. Try it again. And then it was self roles, I believe. Self roles not found. Why? Because you didn't use the proper S. Unbelievable. All right, hang on a second. I can remedy this. No problem. Select all. Copy. All right. Let's start again. Reaction roles. This is a horrible freaking, you know what I'm trying to say. All right. Self roles. There you go. All right. So we found it. So now, so what it does is it kind of prompts you through it. So what would you like the message to say? So you said you wanted notify roles. Notify roles. And then I always just do roles. This is what I always do. You don't have to do this, but this is the easiest and most aesthetic way to do it. So type that. It's like, all right, got a title and description. Now it wants you to pick the color. You don't have to pick a color. If you don't pick anything, it's just like a gray. I personally like colors, so I will do cyan, since that's what I always pick, and then it shows you like little thing there. And now you want to add your roles. So you just want 1, 2, 3, 4. That's fine, etc., etc. So 1, you have noties. All right, so you have your event notifies, you have your YouTube, and your Twitch. So what we can do is start with Twitch, and since you're the only one, that's what we'll do. And then, and then it's like, yep, okay, you're good. And then number 2, you got to put the emoji and then space, and then your role. So we did Twitch. I don't think he doesn't look like he has a Twitch. Let's see. Let's just verify. Twitch. Yep, he doesn't have a Twitch. So, all right. So then we'll just move on to YouTube, and you'll always come first for these. So what we're gonna do is young YouTube noties, and we'll do 3. Nodie. All right, and then you have your event noties. And then now we will move on to his stuff. And I'm gonna mess this up on purpose so that I can show you how to edit it later. So noties. Then we have YouTube, his YouTube notice. And then do a 5. Got his event notice. Notifs. You know what I'm trying to say. All right, then you got 6, which actually we'll skip these. Actually, no, we won't. We'll add it now. So 6 is going to be notify the server event notifications. And then I think we have like server announcements too. That was another one. But we'll skip that for now. So now you just say done. And then boom, you're done. So then it tells you, go to the message, you click it. This is what it looks like. So if you look at the comparison, I think it's a lot more aesthetic. So yeah. So then I'll show you how to edit it. Or actually how to add an emoji pair that you don't already have. So if you want to do, you can type reaction roll all the way out like this, or you can just type RR. I always just type the whole thing out, but I'll show you RR. And then you want to type add. And just to show you, if you don't know exactly what is needed for that, it'll tell you here. So it wants the channel, the message ID, the emoji, and then the role. So that's what's required for this. We already have the channel, so we can skip that part. But I'll just post the whole message string and delete everything but the last set of numbers. And then pick the emoji. I believe we needed to pick like the number 7. And then the role is going to be announcements. And there you go. It added that. I don't know if it actually updated it. So as you can see, now we have the number 7. So you know the emoji pair is linked to this reaction roll, but the actual message itself is not updated yet. So what you can do to fix that is to update or to edit it, which is what we were originally doing. So RR edit, do the same thing. You need the message string ID. This is how it knows which reaction roll to edit. Type the title. So I think we just have notify roles. And then you got to do this like straight up thing and then do roles like that. Edit it. It says it's edited. Let's go back and check. Self roles. Yep. See, server announcements was added, number 7. And now everything's done. So that's essentially what you got to do. And to remove an emoji pair, you do the same thing, except for instead of add, you put remove. And then you got to type which role it is and emoji and all that stuff. So I'll go ahead and make the other one for you, but I won't do it on the screen record. So yeah. All right. See you later.